Many young ladies will be giving birth to babies. And this is a sad reality, a fact. At this very moment, daghan ng mga young people na plano kung asa sila mag-date, asa sila magtatlo. It's a dangerous time. Disguised and deceptiveness. Disguised with flowers and chocolates, cupids, arrows, cakes, and decorations. And the most vulnerable of them are the ladies. Pinatakuya yun. O mga simple-minded, mga patanon kayo, dalaman sa ilang ibog, manaligid sa kawapa, so sa kawabae, madir ngayon siya o ibog, ang mga gitawag, mga regretful mistake. Ini si Dinah, and we'll get a message tonight, a wake-up call for young ladies. And I will not try to preach very long, because I know I can be very long-winded, and I love to preach. But I know naman that you want to also have your time together. Tugutin ako. I'll try my best within 30 minutes. Okay, sige. 30 minutes in 1 hour. No, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay. So just a little summary. A wake-up call for you. Today, we gathered to